Have you ever wondered how ant queens navigate the vast unknown to create new colonies? Embarking on a solitary journey after their nuptial flight, these exceptional explorers face the daunting task of finding the perfect site in uncharted territories. Guided by an intricate internal compass and environmental cues, they demonstrate an uncanny sense of direction, unmatched among the insect world. Surviving harsh conditions and predator threats, the ant queen's determined quest showcases the remarkable resilience and adaptability of nature's smallest architects. This mysterious process not only emphasizes the queen's unique role, but also highlights the unseen complexities of ant society, revealing a captivating insight into their hidden world.